Ecoleaf is a printing technology to print metallization. It's the target audience is the label industry, where you have a lot of embellishment, and the big advantage is that we are enormously sustainable. The revolutionary part on Ecoleaf is that we have a metallization technology where we don't use any foil. So our technology is using only the pigments where we need, so we have very little waste, we have practically no waste, and we have a very high quality, especially on the fine details. And this is why it's a complete revolution, and it will change the label industry on the metallization part. So the Ecoleaf has a metallization unit, and this metallization unit can be installed on a printing press at the beginning of the process, or in the middle, or at the end. Maximum flexibility for infinite range of possibilities in metal metallization without using foils or metallized substrates. The Ecoleaf print result is created by a so-called trigger image, which is applied on the substrate by flexo, screen or inject. It's a perfect register with all other colors, and it will be cured before being metallized. The trigger image is a UV-based, and when it's applied, it delivers a haptic effect, which creates a 3D feeling similar to hot stamping emboss, especially used in the wine and spirits industry. What happens in the unit is that the web enters the Ecoleaf unit, and here the metal flakes are processed and applied to the donor sleeve onto the trigger image. So the trigger image is kind of a glue which is printed on the substrate, where you have perfect register with the prints in front or after. And after the curing, the trigger image has a kind of tacky, and this tacky takes the pigments from the donor roll. So you get only the metallization where you need it. The connection with Actega and Ecoleaf is a perfect fit, because on the Ecoleaf we have many ingredients which we need to make the printing technology work. And Actega have all those ingredients in-house, so therefore the process is 100% in our control, and we don't depend on any third party. The purpose of creating Ecoleaf, said in one sentence, we wanted to offer a high quality metallization while avoiding waste, so to revolutionize the market.